Hi, my name is Anandita and today I'm going to discuss 3 things that is very important to understand how to score 7 plus in IELTS reading. Number 1. Never read the paragraph first. Okay. How to go about it? Read the heading only. Just read the heading and then shift to the questions. Number 2. Skimming and scanning. When you are reading the passage, after reading the question, do not read the entire passage. Just look for the words that are important pertaining to the question and read only that portion of the paragraph. Number 3. The third and the last one is look for meanings. There are very slight chances that the questions will have the same words that are there in the passage. So, when you read the question, understand the meaning and then search for the meaning in the passage. So, to summarize, first, go for the questions directly. Second, look into the passage only for particular words. Do not read the whole passage. And third, go after meanings. So basically, you're matching meanings in the question and the passage. Hope this video will help you score a 7 plus in IELTS reading. For more such videos, please subscribe to Digital Brolly. Thank you.